we've got another vertical line test opportunity. So we're going to highlight here the information around the blank. We'll get our little notes, and we're going to just put our vertical line after emerged, and then we're going to have whereas afterwards. So before, and then we're going to have our after. So as cheese-making practices spread throughout Europe and Asia during and after the Neolithic, divergent strategies for preserving milk emerged. Sounds like a complete idea to me. Then, after, whereas rennet coagulated cheesemaking became key to milk preservation in Europe and Southwest Asia, acid heat coagulation methods became common among nomadic herding populations of the northeastern Eurasian steppe. Also complete. We've got a subject and a verb. We've got cheesemaking became, acid heat coagulation methods became. So we've got to have a complete idea punctuation mark in between. Can't have nothing. So goodbye to A. Even with the and, it's a run-on. With the comma, it's a run-on. And we've established that a colon can be followed by a complete or incomplete idea.